In the last video, we looked at using regular expressions in Google Sheets. Let's see what else we can do with this tool. So in our Google Sheet on the bottom left, there is also a tab called Filter Table by RegexMatch. Let's take a look at that. So here we have a list of all the email addresses in our main table. And what I want to do is I want to look and see if the email address has college.edu in it, because some of these are university.edu, some are college.edu. So we can do this with the RegexMatch formula. So I'm going to select that formula, and similar to the regex extract formula, the first value is text, and that's going to be the email address I'm looking in. And the second is the regular expression. Now in this case, I literally want to find the letters college.edu. So instead of having to write some kind of fancy regular expression, I'm just going to type literal values that I want to find, because it's this exact order, this exact case, lowercase. So when I do the end parentheses and I enter that, it's going to return true or false if it's a match. And it'll tell me to copy it down. And I'm going to do that. And I'll see for the rows with college.edu, I get true. Now this is really cool, but you can go one step farther and use this in a filter formula. So in column D, I am using the filter formula to filter the entire emails table using the regular expression that searches the email column for the value in E2, which is college.edu. So it's going to return only the values that say true, the whole row for that. So when I look at those results, I get my table filtered for only the ones that have college.edu in it. So this is a pretty cool feature. And you can see I've done the same thing here. Another thing you can do with regular expressions is RegexReplace. So that's going to be the third tab, Replace with RegexReplace. So in this sheet, I've done something similar. I've pulled in all the original emails from the original table here. And then instead of using RegexMatch or extract, I'm using RegexReplace. So I'm looking in A2 and I'm looking for the literal letters college, lowercase, in that order. And then this, the vertical line, is a symbol for or. And then without any spaces or anything in between them, then I have university, all lowercase. And if it finds either of those groups of letters just like that, it's going to replace it with my third parameter, which is Stony Brook. So when I do that, all the way down the list, I have all these email addresses updated, so the domain is Stony Brook. So further extensions, really great ways you can use regular expressions in pretty simple ways in Google Sheets.